Silhouette Studio Library. Step 1. The library is located on the top right side of the screen. Step 2. From the library you can access all the files you've purchased and downloaded. Step 3. But first you need to sign in to access the library. Step 4. If you wish to work offline, click your profile drop-down and check the Work Offline box. Step 5. From the profile drop-down you'll also find some specialized functions such as import and export. Step 6. All the designs in the library, whether they were purchased, saved, or imported manually, are located in the Designs folder. Step 7. Any subfolders you've previously created and organized in other versions of Silhouette Studio will be available when you expand the Designs folder. Step 8. You can also view your library designs in List View by clicking the List icon button on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 9. Click the thumbnail icon on the bottom right side of the screen to view the designs as thumbnails. The thumbnail size can be adjusted using the slider. Step 10. Click the gear icon on the bottom right side of the screen to open library settings. Step 11. From the library settings, click Remove Duplicate to remove duplicate files. Step 12. Library Snapshots allows you to capture your current library instance or revert the library to an older saved instance. Step 13. Each folder has a count of how many designs they contain. Step 14. If there's a blue dot next to the folder, it indicates that there are files inside marked as unseen. Step 15. Alternatively, if the design name is in blue when you open a folder, it is an unseen design. Step 16. The star icon located below the design name is for marking a design as a favorite. Step 17. The designs you've marked as favorites will be found in the Favorites folder. Step 18. Next to the favorite star you'll see one of three icons: a lock symbol, a green checkmark, and a red X. Step 19. If there's a lock symbol next to the favorite star, it means that the design is shared through the cloud with all cloud devices automatically. Step 20. If you see a green checkmark, it means that you've opted to share the design through the cloud and is included in the cloud sharing allotment. Step 21. If you see a red X symbol, it means that the file is only stored locally on the computer and cannot be shared with other Silhouette cloud devices. Step 22. If you wish to change whether an imported design is shared in the cloud or not, simply click the red X or the green checkmark. Step 23. Under the design there's an expansion icon to the right to enlarge the preview and see the design details. Step 24. To search for a specific design, click the File Types drop-down on the top left side of the screen. Step 25. Type a phrase in the search bar, then leave only the specific file type option checked to apply the filter. Step 26. The Sort By drop-down, which is located right next to Filter Types, is another feature you can use to filter designs. Step 27. Another feature of the library in Silhouette Studio is the split screen access, which can be accessed from the design screen. Step 28. While on the design screen, click the library icon on the bottom left side of the screen and the library will open up on the left panel. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.